Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Amber, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at a piece from BoutiqueLovin jewelry. BoutiqueLovin Jewelry is an e-commerce brand that runs their company through Amazon and has a variety of different jewelry pieces, primarily necklaces, that you can pick up for yourself. The company did reach out to me asking if I wanted to showcase one of their pieces to my followers, which I am always down for, so I have that here today. Full disclosure, this video is sponsored. I am being paid a small portion to produce this video, however, that does not affect my opinions of the actual product itself. But with that out of the way, let's go ahead and take a look at the actual piece, specifically their Paperclip Necklace. So here we have the little bag and container that it comes in. I do like that it comes in a bag because I have had some jewelry recently that comes in more eco-friendly packaging show up tarnished, unfortunately. Not from this brand at all. Like if anybody watches my Sea Candy jewelry unboxing series that I did, you will have seen. And then the back of the little packaging, which we will pop open. And then we pull out the piece itself. Like I said, it is the BoutiqueLovin Paperclip Necklace. It is 14 karat gold plated. They do offer various sizes that you can get it in. And it is lead and nickel free, so it should be safe for most people with metal allergies, which is good because I am one of those people. I don't generally go by it because I like forget that it's a thing, and I think I mostly grew out of it, but it's still nice to know that I have hypoallergenic type stuff. So this is what the necklace looks like when we pull it out of the packaging, and it does have a traditional little lobster clasp type clasp. I said it in the word and I still didn't know what I was saying. But yes, so this is what the necklace itself looks like. It does seem to be pretty sturdy, like, because I'm somebody who definitely like hyperfixates on jewelry and likes to play with it as like a fidgeting mechanism. So this definitely feels like it's something that would stand the test of time with me doing that, because a lot of the jewelry that I have is not like that, unfortunately. And the particular size that I got, which is the... Alright, it's not written anywhere and I forgot what size it is. But this particular size does look like it could slip right over your head, like so. So we go ahead and have that. What the necklace looks like on with a little bit of a close-up. And we will go ahead and style it a little bit. As you can see, it popping out of the button-up, I think is a vibe. I'll take this jacket off because it's not quite as cold anymore. So like, again, it's a nice length. It is a little longer than I was expecting. Again, I don't remember what exact size that I got. They do offer several on Amazon. If you go ahead and take a look at the necklace itself, due to the nature of how it's designed, you can definitely use the lobster clasp and just clasp it onto one of the paperclip style links and make the necklace effectively whatever size that you like. So if you're not quite sure what size you want to go for, you can definitely size up and then switch it around to see what works for you. This is fun because, like I said, it did end up being a little longer than I was expecting. Not that I dislike that look at all, it just doesn't go with like with this shirt necessarily. Whereas if I link it a little bit more tightly, then it is more like a choker and goes a little bit better with this shirt. So it is definitely a versatile piece. Perfect for just wearing by itself, or it would be one that would be really good to layer with other pieces without being too overstated. So this is the gold-plated paperclip necklace from BoutiqueLovin. I would like to say a huge thank you to the company for reaching out to me and sending me one to review for you guys, and for sponsoring this video. We love sponsors on my channel so we can continue to have this channel run. Like I said, if anybody is interested in getting this piece for yourself, or if you would like to check out what other pieces the company has to offer, check out their Amazon storefront, which I will have linked down below, or you can just search BoutiqueLovin on Amazon and it should pop right up for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a blast hanging out with y'all. Peace.